Question number 141. You are building a knowledge base using the Q&A maker. Which file format can be used to populate the knowledge base? PPTX, XML, zip, PDF. So correct answer is option D, PDF. Question number 142. In which scenario should you use the key flag extraction? Option A, identify whether review of a restaurant are positive or negative. Option B, generating caption for a video based on the audio track. Option C, identify which document provide information about the same topic. Option D, translating a set of documents from English to German. So what is the use of the key phrase extraction? This is the question. So key phrase extraction is used to identify the whether. No. Option A is incorrect. Generating the caption for a video based audio track. No. Identify which document provide the information about the same topic. So yes, option C is the correct. We can use the key phrase extraction by which we can identify the document provided the information about the same topic. Whereas translating the document from the English to German, no, this is not the part of the key phrase extraction. Question number 143. You have an insurance claim report that are stored as a text. You need to extract the key term from the report to generate the summaries. Which type of AI workload should you use? So, what is the question asked? Question is asking about that you have a insurance claim report. Now you need to extract the key terms from the report so that we can generate the summary of the claim report. To generate the report summary, can we do it from the option A, natural language processing? Yes, we can do it by the natural language processing. So option A is the correct. Let's talk about the rest of the option. Option B, conversational is AI. No, conversational AI is the part of the conversation in which a user gives some input and basis of that AI respond. So this is will not work. Option C, anomaly detection. Anomaly detection is mainly used for the fraud detection, right? And anything which is not uh, processing by the user and something which is the different operation is going on, then at that time anomaly detection. Yes. Option D, computer vision. Computer vision is used for anything which is the AI or image or video processing are there going on to identify the image entity all this. So this will also not. So correct answer is option A, natural language processing. Question number 144. Which AI service can be used to interpret the meaning of the user input such as call me back later? A translator API that is used to translate. So option A is incorrect. Option B, text analytics that is used to analysis about the text. Option C is speech. Speech is used to know about who is speaking and what we need to means transcript or like that we have used. But here question is asking to interpret the meaning of user input. So for that language understanding by which we can understand what is the meaning of the user input. So correct answer is option B. Question number 145. A company employs a team of the customer service agent to provide the telephone and email support to the customer. The company developed a web chat bot to provide the automated answer to common customer query. Which business benefit should your company expect as a result of the creating the web chatbot solution? So I think this question is a repeated question. I have already discussed this question, but now again I am discussing. The question is asking about the company have a customer service agent and now they implemented the chatbot. So definitely by the chatbot a user can communicate and by this it will be the reduce the customer service load, right? Let's talk about the options. Option A, increase the sale. No, it's not related to the increase the sale. So option A is incorrect. Option B, to reduce the workload of the customer service agent. Yes, sure. It will reduce the workload of the customer service agent. And option B, improve the productivity reliability. No, it's not related to the product reliability. It will only replacing the service agent or customer support. So it will reduce the workload. So correct answer is option B. Question number 146. You are developing a chatbot solution in Azure. Which service should you use to determine the user intent? To get the intent of the user, is it the use of the translator service? No, translator service not giving the intent. Q&A maker, this is related to the question and answering, where knowledge base we create. Speech is not very. Into getting the intent, we use the language understanding Lewis method, right? So correct answer is option D. Question number 147. You want to create a model to predict the sales of ice cream based on the historic data that include daily ice cream sales total and weather measurement. Which Azure service should you use? A machine learning, Azure AI boost service, Azure AI language. So definitely Azure machine learning will help us to measure the historic data include the daily ice cream sales. Right. Otherwise, boat service is used to chat one. AI language that is used to translator service. The correct answer is option A, AI Azure Machine Learning. Question number 148. You work for a wildlife cemetery and are considering using AI to identify bird species from images. Which AI service should you use to prototype your idea? So if we are have a means if we have any image, right? So for image there is the only one AI service we use, that is the vision one. Here in option A, Azure AI vision service, Azure speech service, Azure OpenAI. So correct answer will be option A, Azure AI vision. Question number 149. A predictive app provides audio output for visually impaired users. Which principle of responsible AI reflect here? A transparency, no. A inclusiveness, yes. A fairness, no. So correct answer is inclusiveness. Why I am asking, I am not explaining this question's answer, because we have already discussed twice, thrice. I don't know how many times we have discussed about the responsible AI, but yes, we have discussed a lot. And again, if you have any doubt, then you can go. I also explain all the responsible AI definition with example. So you can go to my previous video or concepts, where concepts and definition I provided. So you can go there and get the detail. So correct answer here is option B, inclusiveness. Question number 150. This is our last question of the AI 900. So let's discuss about this question. You want to create a model to predict the cost of heating and office building based on the size of square feet and number of the employees working there. What kind of the machine learning problem is it? Is the regression, classification, clustering? Clustering is the base of the group, so option C is incorrect. Option B, classification. Classification is only used for categorize the things, items. So option B is incorrect. Yes, option A, regression is we will use, because regression is used to something by which we can base on the label value or feature value, and it will more than one value. So regression is here correct answer. So correct answer is option A. Again, I am not explaining all these things, regression, classification, clustering, because lots of time I explain. So correct answer is option A, regression. And thank you so much for watching this video.